In a time and age where the requirement for special purpose machinery is gaining momentum, Taurus Private Limited has been a leading producer of world-class solutions for over 37 years, consistently. Strategically located in Bengaluru, Karnataka, Taurus is a wholly owned subsidiary of ACE Designers and one among 8 principal companies of the ACE Micromatic Group. With over 40 years of excellence and expertise in machine tools, ACE Micromatic Group has built a loyal customer base through intense quality control, design and process excellence, and strong support network present across India in more than 55 locations. Most significantly, the group has exceeded customer expectations by taking a customer-centric approach, delivering cost-effective solutions, and ensuring the business is ethically conducted with utmost transparency. With an infrastructure that's built over 50,000 square meters, ACE Micromatic has emerged as a global brand that's synonymous for being the largest and the most comprehensive machine tools group. In line with ACE Micromatic's legacy of offering world-class machining solutions, Taurus has been in the forefront of producing technologically advanced special-purpose machines. These special-purpose machines, also known as SPMs, are tailor-made for every application, hence offering the advantage of higher productivity with consistent quality, reduced cycle time, smaller footprint, and lesser manpower costs when compared to general-purpose machines. Manufactured in a 1600 square meters factory area, these machines are custom-made with special toolings and fixtures that consistently produce the required output. With an experienced workforce, the state-of-the-art facility at Bengaluru has the capability of building customized SPMs to suit each client's requirement.
Taurus is well known to be a manufacturer of SPMs with a wide product range. When an opportunity came, the ACE Micromatic Group acquired Taurus with the idea of offering total solution to the customers. With the group ecosystem and above all the sales and service network of Micromatic machine tools countrywide, we can offer great value to all our customers.
The SPMs manufactured at Taurus have the capability and flexibility to be specifically adapted to the needs of different industries and clients. Over the years, for several industries, Taurus has ensured consistent, high-quality production processes on standard machines with optimized options that are ready to function optimally the moment they're installed. From capturing the requirement to arriving at the design concept to commissioning, followed by dispatch, the teams at Taurus integrate seamlessly to deliver the best. And as the added advantage, Taurus's access to ACE Group of Companies ecosystem offers cutting-edge technical know-how for the ultimate engineering and manufacturing solutions.
After being taken over by ACE Designers, Taurus, the SPM manufacturer, has set a target of reaching 100 crores in the coming 3 to 4 years. Today, it is possible to deliver these machines in a much quicker time with the advent of CAD/CAM and their integration. So therefore, we feel that SPMs are going to make an entry into the shop floors in a big way. With this, we feel that it is going to be possible for us to reach to that sales target of 100 crores in the coming 3 to 4 years.
With the new products which are being developed in Taurus today, products such as facing and centering, products which deal with pre as well as post operations of general purposes machines which are being used from the ACE Micromatic Group. Together, the ACE Micromatic Group with SPMs being handled by Taurus can offer a single window solution for aggregating all your machining requirements.
With guaranteed precision, performance and power that's personalized to your needs, Taurus offers the best-in-class solutions like no other.